Yes, how are you people? People from different countries viewing me. I want to show you how to repair butterfly locks. Hey, I'm JK as usual. Of course, the CEO and a professional hairstylist from G. Yeah, this is how we restore our butterfly braids or our butterfly locks. This is how I restore them. Come along with me for people who love to stay with your hair for some good time. By the way, some secret about this hairstyle, it can take you for even a year if you know its proper maintenance and repair. This is how to maintain this hair. She's been with it for 2 months and now she's doing repair. You can repair this hairstyle for more than 5 times and it can take you for more than a year. I'm talking to my friends in Dubai. People went for work, people went abroad for work, people who went for school and they don't get time for salons, or maybe even their budget is a bit limited. This will save you. If you learn how to do repair, it will save you. You can even tell any hairdresser to do this. If you show her this video, if you can share with him or her this video, she can learn how to do your repair very well. You don't have necessarily to look for me. You can meet another person and do for you this repair if he's a hairdresser. They can learn because it's easy to learn. So I'm fixing my strands. I think you saw right from the roots, the hair had grown out, but now for the part of restored, you can see it's neat again. You just have to get the hair and get a crochet hook and crochet your hair from the roots, from the scalp, and then start twisting again. You see the part, you twist it from there again. Most especially, where you have to put your emphasis is on the roots, is right from the scalp. That's where you have to put much emphasis. As long as it's neat, it's wow. Then the strands you can go on fixing. There are some parts on the strand that maybe are not looking good. Maybe some of them are worn out. That's why you go on fixing. You go on adding more braid. I use Gina spring braid when I'm doing my butterfly locks. You can, I don't know what you're using. Some people use Brazilian wool. Some people use kinky, Afro kinky or Mali kinky, and type of kinky you're using. Remember, I told you to be creative when doing hair. Don't forget gel. I use gel down here to hold my hair so well, and then I go on adding my braid. Don't put more or big layer of braid because it will be heavier. Make sure you get a thin layer of your Gina spring braid and roll it around the root, right from the root, and also roll on the strand and the strands that are faulty and the strands that are worn out in order to restore them to look fresh again. I want to send greetings to my subscribers. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, because this is the only hair channel that will tell you all the secrets about hair, that will tell you things that you never knew before, to direct you, to give you all directives that you need to know, and it will teach you all hair types and how to maintain it. We're going on with our repair. Hope you can see me, you can watch me attentively. By the end of this video, I'm so sure you'll give me thumbs up for the work well done. I started with the front part. When I'm doing my repair. I told you to be creative. You make sure you're creative. It's not like war when you're doing hair. It's not a war. You can come get your client, you can let her stand up and stretch, You can let her do anything she wants. You can even have her lunch, her food. You can be on her phone. Yeah, it's a thing. It's a salon is like salon is a spa. It's somewhere. It's something where someone goes to rest, to have a new look, to have a fresh mind. So you don't have to give her stress again. So I'm fixing her hair again. Fixing her hair again. You can even get out of the salon and move to the compound, move in on the balcony, anywhere she feels free. Because she's paying you for this service. Give her peace. Yes, here we're doing a Butterfly Locs. I'm doing the repair. This is the proper maintenance of these Butterfly Locs. You apply your gel on the scalp, right from the scalp where the lines are. It helps you. I use molding gel, but you can use any type of other gel that you want, different types. I'm applying it for proper gripping of the hair, to put it in one position, to restore my lines, to restore. You can see now my lines are wow. My boxes are restored. They look cute. They look fresh again. So I'm rolling. Butterfly Locs, it's all about rolling. Use your crochet hook in the braids, and then you go on rolling it on your hair to restore your boxes. You see how they apply the molding gel? So I'll apply the molding gel, and then you get a thin layer of your braids. Don't use big layers of braids, because you will lose the original thing of your Butterfly Locs. It will be a different thing than it was originally. So this is what you have to do. Get a very thin layer of your braids and go on rolling it on your Butterfly Locs braids, on your strands rather. I'm rolling it on. You can go to the comment section and ask questions and let me know about which hairstyle you want me to do for you, about the tutorials you want me to do for you. If you have questions, ask questions. And of course, give me thumbs up. You can share this video. Maybe you might not need it so much, but there are people who need this video. You can share it to them because it is useful. You see how I roll it? So this strand was 40. I go on adding another layer. I go on adding another layer on this strand to make it fresh again, to give it a fresh new look. For online lessons about hair, my number is plus. My WhatsApp number is plus 256 779 89 42 59. For people who want to do their hair and they want me to do it for them, I'm available. You can get me on that number I've just read, or you can go on the profile of this channel and get my numbers are there. You can get me to do your work, or maybe you want me to come where you are to teach some people or to teach you. We can negotiate. You can get my WhatsApp number and negotiate and talk about it. and you also plan about it. Other ways we are going on with our Butterfly Locs repair. The same way they do repair for Butterfly Locs is the same way they do repair for Fox Locks, the same way they do repair for Bubble Locks, the same way they do repair for strands like this. The same way you can now see how fresh the ones I've done they look. They look new again. We're giving them a fresh new look, as you can see. You can see the strand. Yes, our strands. Actually, Butterfly Locs, I will say this. If you agree with me, you can agree with me. If you don't agree with me, it's okay with you. But me, I feel like they look more pretty when you've just done them repair than when you just braided them. I would say they look more pretty, they look more fancy when they are just repaired. Wow. She loves this hair. And when she gave me a call, she was like, I don't want to unplait this hair. I still want it. What can I do? I told her it is very easy. Just come and we do it repair. Right now, here we go. We're doing our repair. We're doing our repair. And she's so happy with it. The repair for Butterfly Locs can take you an hour. It is not so hard. It's not so hard. It can take you for an hour only. Yeah. My subscribers in Kenya, I see. Kenya, East Africa. I see you love me. Thank you. Tanzania, I see you guys love me, love this channel. Roll with me until the end of this video. I told you to share because sharing is caring. If you have your friends that you care about and they love hair, they love locks, they love hair tapes like this one, please share this video to them. It will be of great value. I can also tell you that this hair is good when repairing it to first wash it so well, and then don't forget also to trim when you're done with your repair. Trim off the dead ends. Trimming helps your strands to look more neat and to look more organized and fresh. You have to trim it so well. Yeah, I was talking about washing. These locks, you can wash them. And if I've not forgotten, I have a video. I've posted a video of washing, how to wash Butterfly Locs, how to wash these braids. It's better I wash them since it's a hairstyle that is long lasting. It's better I wash it and get rid of the dandruff and all the itching and all the dust. People in dusty countries. Yeah, most of our African countries are dusty. You can agree with me. Not all of them, but at least most of them, because of our weather. Yeah, so here I'm trimming. As you get to the end of this video, you have to trim your strands to make them look neat. You have to trim them to make them look neat, and as you're trimming, when you come across any strands that are not so well, you fix them well. You get a thin layer of the braids and fix them. Remember I told you, don't get a big layer of the braids. Get a thin, and then you fix the faulty parts of your braids with butterfly locks. Yeah. Thank you. I will thank you, people who've sticked along with me. I will thank you. Thank you for sticking with me. We've reached almost the end of our video, and now what we're going to do next? What we're going to do next? We are organizing it so well. You can style this hairstyle in any way you want. Check into my videos of how to style braids, how to style hair, how to style strands. You will see how we do it. I'm using a hand dryer to blow off all the trimmed hair, and also I put in a little heat to, it helps in making the strands firm. They can't undo itself because they are firm. That's why I'm using this hand dryer. Yes, thank you so much. I salute you from wherever you've been tuned in. And of course, I appeal to you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If it's your first time to view this channel, please do subscribe and share this video and share this channel to your friends, your loved ones, to your hairdresser, to people who want to learn hair, because this channel is all about teaching hair. It's all about revealing to you all things and directives about hair. I love you so much. Here we're doing our baby hair. We're doing our baby hair with gel. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. I hope to see you following up in the next video. Thank you so much. I am JK. Let me leave you here as we end this video. I love you. Mwah.